topic for my research is delimitation in India and the intra-state disparities. I adopted for a doctoral mode of research. I went through the Constitution of India, the Delimitation Act, and the other acts prevalent in respect to the election jurisprudence in our country. Apart from that, I went through different cases of the US Supreme Court and the Constitution of South Africa as well to derive the prospects which I would like to represent to all of you in my paper. First of all, as many of the presenters have already told us about the Article 326 and the equity prospect, what is the concept of equal suffrage at the same time as well. Many of the presenters already discussed it, so I'll move on to one of the most important parts of my issue. The issue which I have is eventually the issue which I will dwell into eventually affects our lives personally. I'll start with an example. Lucknow and Jhansi, Mumbai South and Gadchiroli. Gadchiroli is a district which is just near Chhattisgarh, right? Chennai, North and Nilgiris. What is common in all of these things? The common part in all of these things is the parity between how many voters are at one district and the other district. It is very important to understand that because, for example, if I am someone who is from Mumbai South, my vote holds different value if I was someone from Gadchiroli district of Maharashtra at the same time as well. So it is very important to dwell into these concepts that how the delimitation will affect our lives in respect to whom we will vote. Right? If, for example, my vote goes to an X person in Mumbai South and an X person in Gadchiroli, the value of that vote will be very different in both of these districts. Same with Lucknow and Jhansi. Lucknow is heavily populated. At the same time, Jhansi, which should have been, in my perspective, in Madhya Pradesh, I don't know how and why it is in Uttar Pradesh, but at the same time, the population density in Jhansi and Lucknow is very different. Right? So we have to understand how every vote will matter in these two different constituencies. Continuing with the same, the Election Commission of India has reflected in various data and as well as in various reports, the same has been recommended to the governments